Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to finally end that frustration. These tiny but mighty Bluetooth trackers offer unparalleled precision finding, using Ultra Wideband technology, guiding you directly to your lost items with on-screen directions. Forget aimless searching. With an iPhone, you'll see exactly how far and in which direction your AirTag is, making it feel like a real-life treasure hunt with a happy ending. Setup is unbelievably simple. Just one tap with your iPhone, and your AirTag is instantly paired and ready to track, integrating seamlessly into your Apple ecosystem. And for peace of mind, they're water and dust resistant with an IP67 rating, so a little splash or dusty adventure won't stop them from doing their job. This 4-pack is perfect for securing multiple valuables. Think luggage, remote, or even your pet's collar. If you're looking for the best item finder, check the link below for the official AirTag 4-pack on Amazon. What truly sets AirTag apart is Apple's vast Find My network, enabling millions of Apple devices worldwide to help locate your AirTag even if it's far away. No more frantic moments before leaving the house or worrying about misplaced essentials. The AirTag brings confidence to your daily life. This isn't just a gadget, it's an essential electronic for anyone who wants to save time, reduce stress, and keep track of what matters most. Ready to upgrade your peace of mind? Grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack via the Amazon link in the description and never lose anything again.